Okay, everybody. Very good morning. My teacher used to say that there are two types of presentations. One is difficult and the other is very difficult. So fortunately, my presentation falls in the category of difficult. The ones before the lunch are difficult and post-lunch are very difficult. So fortunately, I fall under the difficult category. Start on with the presentation. What I'll be telling is, we'll be talking something on to the US FDA inspection, some of our experiences with respect to the FDA inspections across clinical trial sites in India. So before we start off with the topic on the inspections, I thought the fundamental questions arise why, what, where, and who. So I'll try to answer the questions one by one. Now, say it's quite famous with respect to US that in God we believe. So that's what they write on each and every dollar note which they have. In God they believe. They said that in God they believe, the rest they need to see the data. So for the rest they come down to different places, different sites to evaluate the data. And that's the reason why the FDA inspections occur usually at clinical trial sites. They come down to see the data. Coming to the next one, that's what governs the process of inspection. The FDA is similarly constituted into different forms, and especially this body which is known as BMO, which is known as biomonitoring. They do the biomonitoring inspections. So the BMO usually governs the inspection process with respect to the FDA, because there are loads and loads of data which has been pushed up to the US FDA, and they obviously need to come down and verify whether the current data which has been submitted is as per their requirement. The next is where the FDA inspection occurs. So it's usually the inspections are triggered onto high enrolling sites. So that's the sites which has probably enrolled the maximum number of patients, falls in a category, and that they could be probably inspected. Who could be inspected? So it could be the CRO who could be inspected, who has conducted the study, the clinical trial site which has been conducting the study. It could also be the ethics committee or